Have you ever wondered if a simple spice from your kitchen could revolutionize your nightly routine and supercharge your health while you sleep? Turmeric, known as the golden spice, has been a cherished remedy for centuries, thanks to its powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. But what really happens when you drink turmeric water before bed? In today's video, we'll dive deep into 12 amazing benefits of this golden elixir. Imagine waking up feeling refreshed, with a boosted immune system, and even improved digestion, all from a simple nightly habit. Turmeric water is more than just a soothing drink, it's a potent remedy that can enhance your body's natural healing processes. From promoting restful sleep to supporting joint health and reducing inflammation, turmeric works wonders while you rest. And the best part? It's easy to make and incorporate into your nightly routine. Stay with us as we explore how this ancient remedy can transform your well-being, improve your skin health, and support a healthier heart. By the end of this video, you'll discover why sipping turmeric water before bed might just be the ultimate health hack you've been missing. Don't forget to like and subscribe to learn more tips for a healthier you. Number 1. Natural Sleep Elixir. Imagine if the solution to the most restful sleep was sitting in your kitchen spice rack. We've all had nights where sleep seems impossible, tossing, turning, and replaying old memories in our minds. However, turmeric water could be the natural remedy you've been missing to put an end to these restless nights. Turmeric's power comes from curcumin, its key compound, which has been shown to ease stress and anxiety, helping to relax both your body and mind. Curcumin has an incredible ability to enhance levels of brain chemicals like serotonin and dopamine, which are crucial for maintaining balanced mood and healthy sleep cycles. By supporting these chemicals, turmeric helps you feel calmer, stabilizes your mood, and preps your mind for deep, restful sleep. But turmeric doesn't stop there. Its anti-inflammatory effects also aid in physical relaxation, making it easier to fall asleep and stay asleep. It's like giving your body a nightly reset, making the transition into sleep more natural. Drinking warm turmeric water before bed not only soothes but also acts as a natural, gentle sedative. As you drift off, turmeric continues its work. Its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant benefits promote recovery and relaxation, helping you wake up refreshed. Next time you consider a bedtime tea, try swapping it for a turmeric blend. Simply mix warm water, a teaspoon of turmeric, and a dash of black pepper for better absorption. The result? A deep, rejuvenating sleep that feels like your body is completely recharged. Number 2. Immune System Boost. Let's take a moment to think about this. What if your immune system didn't have to fight the daily battle against germs and toxins all by itself? In our modern world, our bodies are constantly exposed to pollutants, bacteria, and harmful agents. Our immune system works tirelessly to defend us, but even it can use a little support. This is where turmeric water comes into play, offering a powerful and natural way to enhance your body's defenses. When you drink turmeric water before bed, you're delivering a concentrated dose of antioxidants directly to your system. These antioxidants play a crucial role in neutralizing free radicals, unstable molecules that can damage cells and weaken your immune response. Think of it as arming your immune system with a superhero sidekick, silently fighting off toxins and enhancing your body's ability to repair and regenerate while you sleep. Turmeric's anti-inflammatory properties also contribute to a stronger immune response by reducing chronic inflammation, which can often leave the body vulnerable to illness. Drinking this golden elixir regularly is a simple yet effective way to keep your immune system in peak condition without relying on synthetic supplements or a mix of vitamins. It's incredibly easy to make, too. Just stir a teaspoon of turmeric into warm water. For added flavor and health benefits, you can also mix in a spoonful of honey. Sip it slowly before bed, and let this golden drink work its magic. By the time you wake up, you'll feel refreshed, with your immune system ready to take on whatever challenges the day brings. No more waking up with that dreaded, "I think I'm getting sick," feeling. Just pure, fortified health. Number 3. The bloat buster. Ever wake up feeling like you've swallowed a balloon? Or worse, experience that heavy, bloated sensation that seems to appear out of nowhere? You're definitely not alone. Poor digestion is a common, silent culprit behind restless nights and sluggish mornings. But there's good news. Turmeric water can be a natural remedy to ease bloating, indigestion, and gut discomfort. Turmeric works wonders for your digestive system by stimulating bile production in the liver, which is essential for breaking down food and absorbing nutrients effectively. It's like giving your digestive system a much-needed reset, ensuring it runs smoothly throughout the night. When digestion is functioning well, you sleep better and wake up feeling lighter, more refreshed, and full of energy. Say goodbye to late-night stomach troubles and those uncomfortable, sluggish mornings. Drinking turmeric water before bed allows your body to focus on restoring balance in your gut as you rest. The anti-inflammatory properties of turmeric also help reduce irritation and inflammation in the digestive tract, providing relief from chronic bloating. To make this simple yet effective remedy, mix a teaspoon of turmeric with warm water. For an added boost, you can add a splash of lemon juice, which helps further aid digestion and detoxification. This nightly routine will not only promote gut health but also help you wake up with a flatter stomach and a clearer, energized mind. Try it and experience the difference it makes in your mornings. Number 4. The pain reliever. Ever wish you could wake up feeling refreshed, only to find yourself struggling to get out of bed due to arthritis pain and morning stiffness? You're not alone. Many people experience the frustration of wanting to jump out of bed, energized and ready to start the day, only to be held back by joint pain. Swollen hands, aching knees, and stiff muscles can make even the simplest movements feel like a chore, impacting not just physical comfort but also your mood and overall approach to the day. But what if there was a natural way to ease that stiffness and help you start your mornings with less pain? Enter turmeric water. Turmeric's powerful anti-inflammatory properties target the root causes of arthritis and muscle soreness. Drinking turmeric water at night allows your body to combat inflammation while you sleep, promoting healing and reducing pain. To prepare this soothing elixir, mix a teaspoon of turmeric into warm water and add a pinch of black pepper to enhance absorption. By making this drink a consistent part of your nighttime routine, you'll gradually notice improved joint mobility and reduced stiffness. Soon, waking up with less pain will become your new reality, allowing you to embrace the day with renewed energy. Number 5. Nighttime fat burner. Imagine burning fat while you sleep. No, it's not a gimmick or a miracle diet pill. Turmeric water, when consumed regularly before bed, has the power to boost your metabolism and promote fat loss naturally. If you're on a weight loss journey, this simple nighttime drink could become your new secret weapon. So, how does it work? Turmeric contains thermogenic properties, which means it helps increase the body's internal temperature. This rise in heat production, in turn, speeds up your metabolism, allowing your body to burn more calories, even while at rest. By enhancing your metabolism, turmeric makes it easier for your body to tap into stored fat reserves, aiding in weight loss. Additionally, turmeric improves insulin sensitivity, a crucial factor in preventing fat accumulation, particularly around the belly area. By helping your body regulate blood sugar levels more effectively, turmeric ensures that excess glucose is less likely to be stored as fat. It's like having a personal trainer working behind the scenes while you sleep, assisting your body in managing and burning fat efficiently. To prepare this fat-burning elixir, simply mix a teaspoon of turmeric with warm water. For a refreshing twist and added health benefits, squeeze in a bit of lemon juice. This not only enhances the flavor but also adds an extra boost to your metabolism. Sip this warm beverage before bedtime, and let the turmeric work its magic while you drift off. It's a simple, relaxing way to support your weight loss goals, helping you wake up feeling lighter and more energized each day. Number 6. Liver detoxifier. Imagine if your liver could express its need for a break from the relentless strain of processing the countless toxins we encounter daily, from processed foods and alcohol to environmental pollutants. Our livers tirelessly work to keep our bodies functioning optimally, but they often require additional support to perform at their best. This is where turmeric water becomes a game changer, offering a natural solution to help your liver detoxify and regenerate overnight. Turmeric boasts powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, making it an excellent ally for liver health. By promoting bile production, turmeric enhances the liver's ability to flush out toxins and break down fats, which is vital for effective detoxification. This means that drinking turmeric water before bed acts like a gentle, natural cleanse, much less harsh and more palatable than conventional juice cleanses. To prepare this liver-loving drink, simply mix a teaspoon of turmeric in warm water. For an extra detoxifying boost, consider adding a slice of fresh ginger, known for its own liver-supporting benefits. Incorporating this soothing ritual into your nightly routine can significantly improve your liver function, leaving you feeling cleaner and more rejuvenated by morning. With your liver revitalized, you'll wake up ready to embrace the day ahead, knowing your body is in optimal shape. Number 7 supports heart health. Understanding the significance of heart health is crucial, especially given that heart disease remains one of the leading causes of death globally. While many people are aware of the risks, few realize that something as simple as a glass of turmeric water before bedtime can be a powerful ally in maintaining a healthy heart. Turmeric, renowned for its anti-inflammatory and cholesterol-lowering effects, can provide your heart with the support it needs while you sleep. Incorporating turmeric into your nightly routine can help lower cholesterol levels and improve blood circulation. These benefits significantly reduce the risk of heart disease by preventing the buildup of plaque in the arteries, ensuring that both your heart and blood vessels remain clear and efficient. By drinking turmeric water before bed, you're actively contributing to your cardiovascular health and helping to keep your heart strong for the long haul. To prepare this heart-healthy elixir, combine a teaspoon of turmeric with warm water and consider adding a dash of cinnamon, which is known for its cardiovascular benefits. Sipping this soothing drink slowly allows you to enjoy the nurturing qualities it offers. This simple addition to your evening ritual could make a profound difference in your long-term heart health, helping you wake up each day with a stronger and healthier heart. Number 8. The skin savior. Imagine if your skin could work diligently to achieve that radiant glow you've always dreamed of, all while you sleep. It may sound too good to be true, but with turmeric water, this dream can become a reality. One of turmeric's most remarkable yet often overlooked benefits lies in its capacity to enhance your skin, and taking it at night amplifies its effects. Turmeric is abundant in antioxidants that actively combat free radicals, which are the culprits behind dull, tired, and aging skin. While you rest, turmeric works its magic internally by reducing inflammation and fostering the regeneration of new skin cells. This makes it akin to an overnight skincare treatment, eliminating the need for costly creams and complex routines, just a simple glass of turmeric water. Incorporating this skin-loving drink into your evening routine is a breeze. Just mix a teaspoon of turmeric into warm water, and for an extra touch of indulgence, add a drizzle of honey for additional hydration. This golden concoction not only helps detoxify your skin from within but also promotes a natural, luminous complexion. Say farewell to blemishes and welcome a fresh-faced look in the morning. Commit to this nightly ritual, and your skin will surely express its gratitude with a healthy, radiant glow. Number 9. Enhances cognitive function. Have you ever woken up feeling sluggish, as if your brain is still in a fog while the rest of your body is ready to go? If you often find that mental clarity and sharpness are lacking in the mornings, incorporating turmeric water into your routine could be the transformative solution you've been searching for. This golden beverage does more than just promote physical health, it can also significantly enhance brain function. The key lies in turmeric's active compound, curcumin, which has been extensively studied for its potential cognitive benefits. Research suggests that curcumin can improve brain function and even help slow the onset of age-related cognitive decline. It achieves this by stimulating the production of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, a vital growth hormone responsible for facilitating the formation of new neuronal connections, an essential process for learning and memory retention. In practical terms, drinking turmeric water can sharpen your focus and enhance your mental agility, whether you're preparing for a demanding workday or simply seeking to maintain your mental sharpness throughout the day. To harness these cognitive benefits, mix a teaspoon of turmeric into warm water and enjoy it about 30 minutes before bedtime. With consistent use, you may start to notice improvements in your memory, concentration, and overall cognitive health, paving the way for clearer, more productive days ahead. Number 10. The mood enhancer. Do you find yourself tossing and turning at night, burdened by stress and anxiety, with your mind racing through an endless list of unfinished tasks? You're not alone. Many of us experience this nightly struggle. Fortunately, turmeric water can be a game-changer in these moments of unrest. This simple yet powerful spice isn't just beneficial for physical health, it also acts as a natural mood enhancer. Turmeric is recognized for its antidepressant properties, primarily due to its active compound, curcumin. Research indicates that curcumin can elevate levels of serotonin and dopamine in the brain, two key neurotransmitters that play a crucial role in regulating mood and fostering feelings of happiness and well-being. By incorporating turmeric water into your nighttime routine, you can help soothe your nervous system, effectively reducing feelings of anxiety and stress. The benefits are profound. Imagine waking up feeling lighter, with a more positive outlook and a clear, calm mind ready to face the day ahead. To harness this uplifting effect, simply mix a teaspoon of turmeric into warm water before bed. For an extra touch of comfort, add a sprinkle of cinnamon. As you sip this soothing drink, allow the warmth to envelop you, helping to dissolve your worries and paving the way for a more peaceful night's sleep. Number 11. Balances blood sugar. Are you often plagued by sudden blood sugar spikes and crashes that leave you feeling exhausted, irritable, and constantly craving snacks? Managing your blood sugar levels is essential not only for maintaining consistent energy but also for preventing weight gain and reducing the risk of serious health issues like diabetes. The good news is that turmeric water can be a valuable ally in this endeavor, particularly when consumed at night. The magic lies in curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, which has been shown to enhance insulin sensitivity and help regulate blood glucose levels. This means your body can more effectively process sugar, ensuring that your energy remains stable throughout the day. By drinking turmeric water before bed, you give your body the chance to maintain balanced blood sugar levels overnight, effectively warding off those dreaded mid-morning crashes and relentless sugar cravings. To whip up this health-boosting elixir, simply mix a teaspoon of turmeric into warm water and consider adding a pinch of cinnamon. Cinnamon is renowned for its blood sugar regulating properties, complementing turmeric's effects beautifully. This simple nighttime ritual can significantly enhance your daily well-being, leading to steadier energy levels and reduced cravings, allowing you to navigate your day with greater ease and focus. Number 12. Slows the aging process. Who doesn't dream of maintaining youthful, radiant skin without spending a fortune on extravagant creams and treatments? Imagine a solution so simple that it fits right into your evening routine: a glass of turmeric water. While it may sound almost too good to be true, this golden drink is indeed a powerful ally in your quest to slow down the aging process. Turmeric is nature's secret weapon, packed with potent antioxidants and remarkable anti-inflammatory properties that work tirelessly to combat the signs of aging from within. When consumed regularly, turmeric helps reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, restoring that youthful glow many of us crave. The antioxidants found in turmeric are particularly effective at neutralizing free radicals, harmful compounds that contribute to oxidative stress, a significant factor in premature aging. By incorporating turmeric water into your nightly regimen, you are taking a proactive step toward protecting your cells from damage and promoting healthier, more resilient skin. To create this age-defying elixir, simply mix a teaspoon of turmeric into warm water. For an extra boost, consider adding a teaspoon of collagen powder, known for its skin-rejuvenating properties. This combination enhances your body's ability to repair and regenerate skin, giving you a fresh, smooth, and youthful appearance. Sipping on this revitalizing drink before bed allows it to work its magic overnight, so you can wake up feeling vibrant and refreshed. With turmeric water, aging gracefully becomes an accessible routine that promotes a youthful glow, making it as simple as enjoying a warm cup of this golden potion each night. Embrace the power of nature and let turmeric help you maintain your skin's vitality for years to come. Ready to boost your health with natural remedies? Hit that subscribe button and join our community for more tips. Like this video and share it with friends. Let's improve our health together.